We all know what it's like to have a child that is sick. And for those who are born of the Spirit of God, we know that healing is in the love and compassion of Christ. There was a woman who asked Jesus to heal her child. Well, the thing about it is, she was a Canaanite woman. And she said to the Lord, "Would you please heal my child?" Jesus replied to her at that time, "That is just not right. To take the children's bread, those that belong to God, healing comes from God. He was the one who was healing people everywhere. He said, you can't take the bread that belonged to God's children and give it to dogs." She knew what that meant. She knew she was a Canaanite woman. She was Canaanite. She was not of the house of Israel. So she responded to him in desperation, "Lord, even the dog will eat from the scraps of the master table." When he saw her faith, her request was granted. Do you have that kind of faith? Matthew 15:26 through 28.